My name, Hendrik van der Ham. I have a passion for bridges. Bridges 2000, established in 1999, delivers bridges.
Hendrik, what a drama. The date has been changed. Instead of next week, the main act is tomorrow. We need 12 pontoons. Can you help us out?
Hi Jim, this will be very short in time. But anyway, I will assure you that your girls will be swinging on time on the main stage.
Bridges 2000 differentiate on three aspects. The first aspect is fit for purpose. Second aspect is safety. Third aspect is fast. Why we can do this? Because we have everything in-house. Because of this, we can guarantee the speed, fit for purpose, and most important, the safety for your and your clients.
An example how fast we can deliver. If you call right now in the morning and you need a bridge in the afternoon or a gangway, it's possible. Call us if you need us. Bridges 2000, 24/7. We will help you. Bridges 2000 stands for Creating Safe Connections.